So I've got these wireless lavalier microphones. So one receiver, two transmitters. They have a digital display, as you can see right here. So you'll always know how much battery you have left, and you also have some LEDs here showing you the noise cancelling and other stuff right here. They have quite a long battery life, up to 7 hours of continuous use per microphone, which is really good. It's like good for recording interviews, podcasts, or live streaming without worrying about the battery. They have USB-C charging, a 360-degree HD sound pickup. It has a high sensitivity on the microphone head, omnidirectional sound reception, clear recording, which we'll be testing in a moment after we unbox it. We can also see right here 20 meters of reception, which is quite a good distance. Let's unbox it and check it out. Let's check out what's in the box as well compared with this one. Oh, nice. So we have this manuals right here and this 1-year warranty, really cool. And these are the microphones, these two, and then we have this receiver. Then we also have this adapter right here. Oh, actually you actually have an adapter for lightning cable as well. That is great. One USB-A to two USB-C, so you can charge them at the same time. And some of this, and they also have this for the wind, which is really great. That is really great. So we can take this off and then put one of these, just like that. We can also take this off. There we go. Let's see the receiver as well. Took this off. It's a bit hard to take it out, but it does get out eventually. So I see this doesn't need like a battery, only this, which is great. Okay, you have the button here. We have this clip right here. Before I show you how they sound, I'll show you how it looks when it's connected. So as you can see, now these two will blink, these two LEDs right here. Then you can keep this button pressed until it goes on, and you can see it automatically connects, and it's like really fast. And you can also see the battery percentage right here, and you can activate or deactivate this noise reduction, and you can keep it a bit pressed a bit longer to see the percentage again. And now let's see how it sounds. Okay, so that's how it sounds. The microphone, that's how the microphone sounds right now. As like an invisible, I put it in somewhere here. Try to make it a bit like invisible, something like this. You can still see this, but can't be perfect, you know. And you can also clamp it right here. You can turn it around, clamp it so that the microphone is up, just like that, or inside, outside here, just like that. So it's closer to your mouth. That's how it sounds like right now. And this is how it sounds with this feature activated. And yeah, you can also turn this around as you like, and you can also take it out if you want to just hold the microphone like this, which is great. Let's turn this feature off, and there we go.